Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you on step-by-step procedure to change Discord server name. This is a very simple procedure. What you have to do is, first of all, you want to launch open Discord. So type in discord.me and log into your account. As logged in, what you have to do is, next thing, you want to go ahead and select the server for which you want to change the name. Then you want to just open it up. This is how it's gonna look. At the top left hand side corner there you could see the arrow icon as well as the name. So click that out and go to server settings. When you go to server settings, then you have this, and right over here you have a server profile, and this is your server name. Now then you could go ahead and make sure to change the name to any one of it. You could replace it and type in, and once you've actually done it, so you could also change the server icon if you want. After you're done making changes, click on save changes. Now then you want to refresh the Discord application or account and log into your, or go back to your home page, and this is how you've successfully changed your server name on Discord. This is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.